Hey everybody, this is Tanya and George, and I'm here to talk about counseling. So I'll just give it a brief introduction about counseling and what am I good at, what will I teach in counseling, or how is it going to benefit you all, right? So, to just talk about counseling, before I could jump into the sentence of counseling or what is it, let me just talk about myself. So, I am Tanya Ann George, and I am an HR professional by profession and also a counselor and a coach combined together. So, types of counseling, we do have a lot of types of counseling, but I deal with behavioral counseling, marriage counseling as one of my tip, student counseling, and vocational counseling. So I also talk about the interpersonal counseling that I will be able to talk about. So, if I talk about active listening, that is something that is related to what I do as a part time. I work as an active listener for a platform that is like a volunteer type for Seven Cups, which means I do talk about how people want to withdraw in their life, what to do in their life, etc. They do come for problems or they do ask solutions. So you wear a hat, you listen, and that's what you do and you help them out, right? So I can give you a case study, but due to the time limit, case study is nothing but just a short kind of case study as what to deal with counseling, maybe at the end of the slide. So uh, so why do we jump into coaching? The life coaching is something like a profession that we do differently from consulting, mentoring, advice, therapy, or counseling. So the coaching process addresses specific personal objects that can deal with business or in personal life. So that is life coaching. So if you see what exactly is a life coach, since I already told you I also play a role of a life coach. So a life coach is nothing but like a personal trainer. A life coach sees your highest and your best self. They always try to motivate you. They show you that you are unique, you are able to do anything in this life that you want to achieve. They help you gain your self esteem. They make sure you feel very motivated and so on. That's how is a person and how exactly a coach plays a role in your life. What happens when you work with life coach is something that you need to let us know. So, what does a life coach do? It's nothing but, like I said, motivate you, help you find out your true self if you're facing any difficulties. Try to understand from where, what, how can you deal with a situation from different points of view. So, six types of life coaching is nothing but I to put in forward to you is personal coaching, career coaching, business, executive health, and relationship. But I am well versed in personal coaching, career coaching, a business a little bit, and relationship coaching. That is something that I am good at, and I would probably help you out if you come to me on this. So, what do I do? Is something that I already told you in the start of the slide. It's nothing but I am a coach, a life coach trying to help out people to deal with themselves in different problems of life. So, if you come to me and if you need problems or to face them not alone, I would always be there with you. And if you come to me and you need help, seeking as how can I do this? How can I understand? How can I understand the problem? What is the difficulty of the problem? I would say being a coach, like a good coach, is nothing but I will ask you questions that can help you remove the obstacles in your mind and you get back on the track of life. That is a good coach that they do, and I do that. I ask you a lot of questions, I help you give them the answers as well, and you have them all at your end. So, I want to inspire people. I want someone to look at me and say, because of you, I didn't give up. So, that's the one quote that always strikes me, and I would like to tell this to you. I want to be a person that, you didn't give up because of me, that I helped you discover yourself or discover how to tackle the problem or how to deal with life. So, let's start. The magic is in you. Thank you.